Hello students, welcome back. Class 10, subject IT. Under the NSQC scheme, our subject code is 402. Chapter 9 is we are discussing today. Chapter 9 belongs to digital presentation. Our topic is reviewing content, preparing to deliver presentation and print a presentation. Okay. So reviewing content means before making a presentation, you should keep the following points in mind to make a quality presentation and will affect it to our audience or viewer. Okay, so you can think this point before and after creating your presentation. Okay, so you should make the matter in the slide as well as design appropriate. Okay, so the content must be balanced. You should know the topic of the presentation. Okay, first you know your topic clearly. Do not use elaborate font for matter in the slides. Okay, use simple font. Keep the design and look of the slide consistent. Okay, so consistency is important. Don't use much animation and transition as may distracting. Okay, you can use simple animation. So much animation always disturbing the audience. Okay, know your topic. Okay, first your topic must be clear in your mind. Choose effective phrases for each slide. Okay, your content, your matter must be good. Avoid writing so much in one slide. Okay, you should write only small points. Plan the layout of the slide. Avoid goody fonts. Okay, yeah, always use simple and effective fonts. Another thing you should keep in mind before creating the presentation, use contrasting color for text and background. Okay, you choose pleasant colors. Use a slide design template to keep your presentation look consistent. Okay, you can take the help of predefined formats. It will save your time, and ready-made colors and everything is available for you, so no need to take care of our colors combination. Use animation transition sparingly. Okay, rarely you can use so much animation and transition, always disturb the audience. Do a thorough spell check across all slides. Okay, spelling mistake, grammatical mistakes must be avoided. Perform a manual spell check for terms that are not included in the spell check. Such terms can be technical terms not included in the most dictionaries. Okay, so your spelling and grammar you must check. Okay, so for this purpose, remove the irrelevant content on the slide in the presentation, like pictures, clip art, terms, if they are not required. Okay, you can use the only required part of pictures and content. You can check your presentation content again and again and present only exact and quality content. Remove your unwanted or and avoid irrelevant points. Okay, now preparing to deliver a presentation means it is important. Means the content, you can control your content presentation, and you can also control the animation of your presentation easily. Okay, there are various options, facility are available to control deliver your presentation, controlling the presentation. So the slideshow can be customized using control present as a part of Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on the slideshow tab. Okay, then you can see setup group and click on the setup slideshow. So this option will control your presentation to the audience, to the viewer. If the presentation is to be made by speaker, then click on presented by speaker full screen option under the show type heading. Okay, if the presentation is to be seen by an individual, okay, then click on browse by individual option. Or if the presentation is to be browsed as a kiosk, click on browse that kiosk full screen option. Okay, so these are the simple thing when your presentation will show to the speaker side, audience side, or individual side, or so many people in front of, so you can control this thing easily. Now you can choose to loop the slide continuously, show slides without narration or without animation. Okay, under slides options heading means you can also control the animation part of your presentation. Okay, continuously you can run your slide. After completing, again it will repeat. If you want to don't repeat, you can also control this thing. You already you give the presentation and the animation to your slide, but you want to pause your animation, so you can also control this thing. Okay, so you can also control. Now suppose you want to hard copy of your presentation, so you can also print a presentation. So the simple thing is, you may print the slides, notes, handouts, or outlines. In order to print any of these components out, click on File tab to go to the backstage view of PowerPoint. You may print full pages of slide, and if the number of copies is more than one, then you have to enter the value at the appropriate place. Okay, to print the copies as fed into the PowerPoint interface, you must press the print button. Okay, the keyboard shortcut to open print interface is Ctrl+P. This is a common shortcut. You can use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So today I have discussed about how to make a quality presentation. After creating the presentation, we can also the controlling the animation part and viewer choice according to, and last we can also print our presentation, and we will collect our presentation in a hard copy format. So this is our main topics. Okay, next time we will discuss a new chapter. Okay students. Okay, but before completing this class, you should keep thanks for attending online class. Below the comment box, you must type your name and class and section following question answer. Today my question. First question is, write any 2 points to review our contents of a presentation. If the presentation is to be made by a speaker and to deliver a presentation, so which type of option you will select? Okay, which type of content you can print of a presentation? All answer will type in below comment box, and after writing above answer in comment box, then you will type your doubt, your questions. Then I will see and I will definitely reply. You will check. Okay students, thank you so much.